In this video, I will show you how to get the latest calling features in WhatsApp. So to get those, first of all open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Here you will find an update button, simply click on it. Now let your WhatsApp get updated to the latest version. Now once your WhatsApp is updated, you can simply click on open and then all the new features would have already been added to your WhatsApp. And in case if it's still missing, then simply go back, click and hold on to the WhatsApp icon, scroll till the end, click on more features, then go to app info. From here click on storage uses. Here you will find clear data and clear cache. Click on clear cache written in bright red. After that click on force stop, then confirm it. Now all of those features might have already been added to your WhatsApp, and if they are still missing, simply click and hold on to the power button. Then turn the slider upwards. After that your phone will restart and then it might have been fixed. And if it's still missing, then simply wait for some time, as this is a very new feature. WhatsApp may be slowly rolling it out to all of the users. In a few days you will find the update button again and then you'll get all of those features. And if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.